subject EVS, first lesson, my body. My body. Our body are made up of many organs that can be divided into two types. That are, first one, external organs. First one, external organs. External organs means that which we can see with our eyes are called external organs. That organs which we can see are called external organs. For example, head, eyes, ears, mouth, etc. That which we can see with our eyes are called external organs. Examples: head, eyes, ears, mouth, etc. Second one, internal organs. Second one, internal organs. Internal organs, that which internal organs means that which are present inside our body. The organs which are present inside our body are called internal organs. Example: brain, heart, stomach. These are internal organs. That organs which are present inside our body are called internal organs. Okay, first one, external organs. My body. Okay, my body. First one, external organs. Organs which are present out, that which we can see, are called external organs. That are head, eyes, ears, mouth, etc. Second one, internal organs. Internal organs means that which present inside our body. That which are present inside our body are called internal organs. Example: brain, heart and stomach. These are called internal organs. Next one is sense organs. Sense organs. Sense organs. How many sense organs are there? 5 sense organs. There are 5 sense organs. There are 5 sense organs. Five sense organs. 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, mouth, fifth one, skin. Five sense organs. There are 5 sense organs. 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, mouth and skin. These are 5 sense organs. These are 5 sense organs. 5 sense organs is with first one, eyes. Eyes useful to see different things. Eyes help us to see different things around us. What? Around us. Eyes help us to see different things around us. Second one, ears help us to hear. Ears help us to hear. Hear the sounds. Ears help us to hear the sounds. Third one, nose. Nose help us to smell. Nose help us to see the smell of different flowers or different items, different things. Okay. Next one, mouth. Mouth has a tongue. Mouth has a tongue. Tongue help us to see the taste. Tongue. Taste the things. Tongue help us to taste different things. Taste different things. Next one, skin. The skin protects our body. Skin protects our body. Protects our body from cold, hot, anything. Skin protects us from hot, cold. These are sense organs. How many sense organs are there? 5 sense organs. 5 sense organs. 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, mouth and skin. Eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, mouth to taste. In that mouth there is a tongue. That one to taste. Skin protects our body from heat, cold, rain, etc. Okay, today topic my body. Okay, thank you.